welcome back. So today I'll be making a new series about Abacus. I'm going to be teaching you about the Abacus instrument. So here it is right now. There are different, Abacus instrument varies from different countries such as Japan, China, India, so on. So as you can see, these are called the frame. It's a rectangular frame, that's what you call the border. Over here, you see this line over here. This is called the value bar or divisor line. There are 5 dots on these, which represent a different place value. I'll teach that later. And then these are the upper beads, and these are the lower beads. So right now, each upper bead value is 5. So not like that. The middle of this, which is 2 over here and 2 over here, in the middle of those, there's this middle dot, okay? Then over here, this is the ones place. So if this is the ones place, this is the tens place. Ones, tens, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Sorry, I got confused. Okay, so since each one is 5, this is 5, 50, 500, 5,000. When the beads don't touch the line, it is counted at 0. That's why it's called a value bar. When a bead touches this, it gives it the value. So right now the value is 0 over here. Then if I put this down, which is the ones place, because it's the middle, I put the upper bead touching the line, the bar, and then that represents as 5. So if you go over here, it's the right of it. Since this equals 5, this equals 50. Since this is ones, tens, 5, 50. So if that's 50, this is 500. 5, 50, 500, 5,000, 50,000, like that. Okay, now I'm going to show you the lower bead value. Each bead is represented at ones place. So if this is 5 place, this is ones place, okay? So again, it's the same rule. If this doesn't touch the value bar, it doesn't give any value. So if this give values, it's 5. So this is 1, because one bead is touching this, which gives it a value. So if all of these beads are 1. If they don't touch each other, that means they're not connected. So as you can see over here, it's not touching. There is a slight gap. That means it's still 1 because there's only a slight gap over here. So, but if I put it together, it's 2 now, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I keep it like this is 4. And if I put this down, it's 5. So this is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. 400, 500, 600, 100, 200, 300, 400, like that. So now I'm going to show you how to hold it. So example, you've done some calculations over here, how to erase it, okay? You hold from the edge, don't force press it, just lightly press it over here, hold the bar, and then just gently go like this. It takes some time and practice, but when you get it, it'll be like this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to hold it. So you have your instrument over here. You have your instrument over here. You have your hands over here. So keep these hands like this. As you can see, I'm putting my thumb on this side and my ring finger and my pinky finger over here and over here. So that's gonna look like that. So these 2 hands should be free. Over here, these 2 hands should be free. And then I keep my other hand over here, no, I don't keep anything over here. I keep my hands like this. So my hand's supposed to be shaped like this. So then I can do some calculations over here. So right now, since this is 5, as I showed you, the middle one is the ones value, and then this is tens, 20, 30, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 because it's giving value to this bar. So if I put this, 5 plus 4 equals 9. So since this is there, 5 plus 4 equals 9 because the bar is giving value to the 5 and the bar is giving value to the 4. So if you put those together, 5 plus 4 equals 9. So it's like that. Those are the basics right now. Then this is same with here, 1, 10, 20, 30, all that. 1, 10, 20, and all that. So if I put 50 over here, since this is 5, this equals 50, which is 80. 99, since this is ones place. And then if I do it over here, this is 800, because this is the hundreds place from the middle. So those are the beginning steps of learning the Abacus. I'll be posting more videos every week. I hope you see you soon. Take care.